Hi guys, welcome to this video. In today's video guys, I'll guide you on how to solve the issue of connection failure on MeMeFi. You've been trying to connect to your MeMeFi and you have this that says connection failed. So let's retry this by reload the page again. It will come up as if it will load, but it also gives you connection failed. And you've tried other apps, you've tried browser, and it works, but on MeMeFi, it does not work. Now, guys, here is what you need to do. It's very simple. All you have to do, guys, will watch this video to the end and follow the simple instruction I want to give in this video. First of all, guys, you have to go to your app store. The same process work for Android device as well as iOS device. So on your app store, go and search for this app called Windrip. So search for this app on your app store, tap this place, then type in this particular keyword Windrip and it comes up like this guys. Download this app in your device. Once you download the app on your device, it comes up like this guys. You have access, tap on the open button, it comes up like this, then tap on get started. Once tap on get started, you see a place to create an account guys. Provide your details, your username, password. Sometimes you need to provide your email address for more benefits. Once you've provided your details and you've created an account, then guys, you need to log into this platform. So I've created my account. All I have to do is to log into this platform. Once you log into the platform, it comes up like this, guys. Now, the first you have to do is to come to this countryside, scroll up until you get to France. Now, here is France. Tap on France. Once tap on France, it comes up like this. We have different one here, so you can pick any one of these. So I'll go for this one, this second one. Tap on it. Once tap on it, you allow it to connect. You see it has connected, and you see the logo of the Windscribe here at top of the screen. Now, once you've done that, go to the MeMeFi button again. So guys, as you can see, we've logged into MeMeFi again. So you can now start farming, start accumulating your points on MeMeFi. So if you have issue connecting with your MeMeFi, I would advise you follow the simple steps and start farming on this platform. This is the simple process on how to solve the issue of MeMeFi connection failed on your device. If you do enjoy this tip and you've not subscribed to this channel, guys, can you subscribe to this channel? Tap the notification icon and select all so that you're notified when we drop another important tips on this channel. Thank you guys. See you soon on our next video.